Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the top 100 current affairs of February 2025, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Which state hosted the 38th National Games in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand hosted the 38th edition of National Games. So remember this. Motto of 38 National Games was संकल्प से शिखर तक, reaching heights with resolve. मैस्कॉट नेम was मॉली और मेडल्स टैली में जो फर्स्ट रैंक पर रहा है वो रहा है सर्विसेज. सर्विसेज स्पोर्ट्स कंट्रोल बोर्ड ने टोटल 121 मेडल जीते हैं, जिसमें 68 गोल्ड, 26 सिल्वर और 27 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल है. सेकेंड रैंक पर रहा है महाराष्ट्र, थर्ड पर रहा है हरियाणा और फोर्थ पर रहा है मध्य प्रदेश. सो रिमेंबर दिस. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द 11th चेयरपर्सन ऑफ सेबी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, तुहिन कांता पांडे. तुहिन कांता पांडे was the finance secretary of India and recently he has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI. He succeeds Madhvi Puribhuj, who was the first female chairperson of SEBI, and SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Who has been recently appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Gyanesh Kumar. Gyanesh Kumar is the new Chief Election Commissioner of India and he succeeds Rajiv Kumar. Next question. Who won the Tata Steel Chess Masters 2025? Correct answer is option D, R. Pragnanda. Who presented the Union Budget on 1st February 2025? Correct answer is option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is the Finance Minister of India and she presented the Union Budget on 1st February 2025 और इन्होंने लगातार 8वीं बार इंडिया का यूनियन बजट प्रेजेंट किया है. सो रिमेंबर दिस टू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु टुक ओथ एज द न्यू चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ न्यू दिल्ली? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, रेखा गुप्ता. Rekha Gupta is the new Chief Minister of New Delhi. So remember this. And she replaced Atishi Marlena. Next question. What is the new name of Fort William? Correct answer is option C, Vijay Durg. Vijay Durg is the new name of Fort William, which is located in Kolkata. Next question. Which country is the host of Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option D, Pakistan. पाकिस्तान इज़ दी होस्ट कंट्री ऑफ आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी 2025, बट इंडिया के जो मैचेस होंगे ये सारे मैचेस खेले जाएंगे दुबई में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच टू कंट्रीज हैव द हाईएस्ट ब्रेस्ट कैंसर इंसिडेंस रेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्लोबल स्टडी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड. What is the India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, फोर्थ. ग्लोबल फायर पावर इंडेक्स 2025 में फर्स्ट रैंक पर है यूएसए, सेकंड पर है रशिया, थर्ड पर है चाइना और फोर्थ रैंक पर है इंडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर विल इंडियाज फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूनिवर्सिटी बी एस्टेब्लिश्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, महाराष्ट्र. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Ratan Tata Endowment Trust? Correct answer is option D, N. Chandrasekaran. Where did the first General Assembly of the International Organization of Aids to Marine Navigation take place? Correct answer is option B, सिंगापुर. और इसी जनरल असेंबली में इंडिया को वाइस प्रेसिडेंसी दी गई है IALA की. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which Bengaluru-based startup has launched India's first private hyperspectral satellite constellation? Correct answer is option A, Pixel. Who has been elected as Greece's new president? Correct answer is option B, Konstantin Tassos. Which country hosted the 13th edition of the joint India-Maldives military exercise Aquarian? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. Who has been named the ambassador for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shikhar Dhawan. Which ministry has launched a species-specific campaign, Shatavari for Better Health? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Ayush. Which six languages will be added to the translation services in the Lok Sabha as announced by Speaker? Correct answer is option A, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit and Urdu. These six languages will be added to the translation services in the Lok Sabha. So remember this. Next question. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets Prakriti 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. What is the name of the scheme announced by the Arunachal Pradesh government to support institutional births of girl children? Correct answer is option B, Dulari Kanya scheme. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Global Investors Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhopal. N. Biren Singh was the Chief Minister of which state who resigned in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. Which team won their second consecutive Indian Super League Winners' Shield in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Where was the military exercise Jal Thal Raksha 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option D, Bet Dwarka, Gujarat. Which organization developed the world's largest vertical propellant mixer? Correct answer is option C, ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization developed the world's largest vertical propellant mixer. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Where is Udhwa Lake located, which has been added to the Ramsar site list in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. Who launched the national level mass outreach campaign Watershed Yatra on February 4th, 2025? Correct answer is option B, शिवराज सिंह चौहान. शिवराज सिंह चौहान वर्तमान में किस डिपार्टमेंट के मिनिस्टर है, इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर विल इंडियाज फर्स्ट वाइट टाइगर ब्रीडिंग सेंटर बी एस्टेब्लिश्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, रीवा, मध्य प्रदेश. Which institution collaborated with Indian Railways to launch India's first Hyperloop test track? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Which religious faith has been officially included by the Bodoland Territorial Region government in Assam in key government documents? Correct answer is option C, Baithuism. Which university has been ranked the top institution in the Times Higher Education World Reputation Rankings 2025 for the 14th consecutive year? Correct answer is option B, Harvard University. Which book by Banu Mushtaq has been longlisted for the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Heart Lamp. Heart Lamp is the first Kannada book to be longlisted for the International Booker Prize. So remember this. Next question. What is the name of the AI-assisted chronic eye disease screening program launched by the government of Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Nayan Mritham 2.0. Who has been appointed as the new Speaker of Delhi Assembly? Correct answer is option A, Vijender Gupta. Where did India successfully conducted the test firing of the naval anti-ship missile? Correct answer is option B, Chandipur, Odisha. Who was officially sworn in as the 9th Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option B, Kash Patel. काश पटेल ये जो है इंडियन ओरिजिन के हैं, जो कि FBI के डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट हुए हैं. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर हैज़ इंडिया established its first zoo-based biobank for wildlife conservation? Correct answer is option C. पद्मजा नायडू हिमालयन जूलॉजिकल पार्क. ये लोकेटेड है दार्जिलिंग वेस्ट बंगाल में. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which satellite did China successfully launch on 22nd February 2025? Correct answer is option B. ChinaSat 10R. Zhongxing 10R इसको चाइना ने सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च किया है 22 फरवरी 2025 को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Where did President Draupadi Murmu attend the inaugural session of the International Women's Conference organized by the Art of Living? Correct answer is option B. Bengaluru. Where was the first ever regional dialogue on the Global Coalition for Social Justice held? Correct answer is option A. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. According to Bloomberg's 2025 rankings, who retains the top position as Asia's wealthiest family? Correct answer is option D. Ambani family. Next question. What is the name of the campaign launched by the Haryana government to promote healthier farming? Correct answer is option A. Har Khet Swasth Khet. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option B. Meghalaya. Where did President Draupadi Murmu inaugurate the International Conference of Unani Medicine? Correct answer is option A. Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. What is India's overall rank in the World Bank's Logistic Performance Index 2023? Correct answer is option B. 38th. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024 released by Transparency International? Correct answer is option D. 96th. Who did Carlos Alcaraz defeat to win his first indoor hardcourt title at the 2025 Rotterdam Open? Correct answer is option A. Alex de Minaur. Who won the Mumbai Open 2025 singles title? Correct answer is option C. Jill Teichmann. Who is set to become the new CEO of Nokia on 1st April 2025? Correct answer is option A. Justin Hotard. What is the new name of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's flagship jet training aircraft, previously known as Hindustan Jet Trainer HJT-36? Correct answer is option B. Yashash. What is the name of the large-scale security operation recently launched by Bangladesh? Correct answer is option B. Operation Devil Hunt. Where did the world's largest Jhumar dance performance take place? Correct answer is option D. Guwahati. Where has the Summit for Action on Artificial Intelligence officially begun? Correct answer is option C. Paris. Who launched the Bikshit Gaon Bikshit Odisha scheme in Jankia Khoda district? Correct answer is option B. मोहन चरण मांझी. मोहन चरण मांझी ये जो है करंट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which country officially announced its withdrawal from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option B. Panama. Which Indian startup has emerged as the second most downloaded app globally in the food and drinks category? Correct answer is option C. Zepto. Which country announced its withdrawal from the World Health Organization? Correct answer is option A. अर्जेंटीना. यूएसए के बाद अर्जेंटीना ने भी अपना विड्रॉ ले लिया है WHO से. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the new name of Zomato after its corporate rebranding? Correct answer is option B. Eternal. Where was the 8th National Finite Element Developers feast users meet held? Correct answer is option C, IIT Hyderabad. Where was the largest Hindu temple in the southern hemisphere unveiled? Correct answer is option B, Johannesburg, South Africa. Who was sworn in as Belgium's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, Bart de Wever. Bart de Wever is the new Prime Minister of Belgium. Next question. Which state government launched the Manmitra initiative? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which country has become the first to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse material? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Where did India assume the chairmanship of the Bay of Bengal Intergovernmental Organization? Correct answer is option C, Malé, Maldives. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Seoul School of Ultimate Leadership Conclave 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Mandapam Convention Center, New Delhi. What is the name of the groundbreaking multimodal AI model introduced by Microsoft? Correct answer is option B, Magma. Which of the following has been named in Time magazine's Woman of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vishwa Rajakumar. Who was known as the father of Odissi dance, passed away recently? Correct answer is option B, Mayadhar Raut. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14,000 ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. According to a recent report by Bain and Company and NASSCOM, when is India expected to become a high-income nation? Correct answer is option C, 2047. Which airport became the first in India to win the Sarvashreshth Suraksha Puruskar Golden Trophy at the NSCI Safety Awards 2024? Correct answer is option C, मनोहर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. मनोहर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट ये कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है? इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which company signed an MOU with the Archaeological Survey of India to restore and conserve historic water bodies? Correct answer is option B, Bisleri International. Who has been awarded an honorary knighthood from UK for strengthening India-UK business ties? Correct answer is option B, Sunil Bharti Mittal. Which bank has partnered with the Professional Golf Tour of India as its official banking partner? Correct answer is option C, IndusInd Bank. Who has launched of the Haryana Witness Protection Scheme 2025? Correct answer is option C, Naib Singh Saini. Naib Singh Saini is the current Chief Minister of Haryana. So remember this too. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option C, Dan Bongino. Dan Bongino has been appointed as the new Deputy Director of FBI और रिसेंटली ही FBI के नए डायरेक्टर भी अपॉइंट हुए हैं, काश पटेल, जो कि इंडियन ओरिजिन के हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who translated Banu Mushtaq's short story collection Heart Lamp from Kannada? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दीपा भश्ती. दीपा भश्ती ने बनु मुश्ताक की हार्ट लैम्प को कन्नड़ से ट्रांसलेट किया है और रिसेंटली लॉन्ग लिस्ट किया गया है इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज 2025 के लिए, और ये पहली कन्नड़ बुक है जो कि लॉन्ग लिस्ट हुई है इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज के लिए. सो रिमेंबर दिस. व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड प्रोटीन डे ऑब्जर्व्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 27th February. When is Central Excise Day observed? Correct answer is option A, 24th February. Which bank launched the 9th edition of the Evolve seminar? Correct answer is option C, Axis Bank. Recently, Ali Ai Ligang festival celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Who launched the Bima ASBA payment mechanism? Correct answer is option C, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 85th. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Correct answer is option B, Udaipur and Indore. Which state launched the N-Proud initiative to manage expired and unused medicines? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. How many medals Services Sports Control Board won in the 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option D, 121. What is the name of the fund that has been launched at the 16th Conference of the Parties COP16 of the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity in Rome, Italy? Correct answer is option D, Cali Fund. Which country's National Day celebrations will PM Modi attend as the guest of honor? Correct answer is option C, Mauritius. Where was Mahakumbh Mela held in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prayagraj. Which Indian state recorded the highest number of bird species in GBBC 2024? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Where was India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, न्यू दिल्ली. न्यू दिल्ली के मौसम भवन में इंडिया का पहला ओपन एयर आर्ट वॉल म्यूजियम इनॉग्रेट किया गया है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इनॉग्रेटेड द नेशनल ट्राइब फेस्टिवल आदि महोत्सव इन न्यू दिल्ली? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, द्रौपदी मुर्मू. हु अनाउंस द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डीरेगुलेशन कमीशन इन इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, नरेंद्र मोदी. और ये कमीशन क्यों फॉर्म किया जा रहा है? तो ये किया जा रहा है टू रिड्यूस द रोल ऑफ द स्टेट इन गवर्नेंस. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च द क्यूलिनरी क्राफ्ट्स एंड क्लिक्स मूड्स एंड मैजिक फेस्टिवल? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स. Jotham Nepat was recently appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Which country will host the inaugural Olympic e-sports games in 2027? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. And the last question of today's session is, who broke the world half marathon record in Barcelona, finishing the 21.0975 kilometer race in 56 minutes and 42 seconds? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, जैकब किपलिमो. जैकब किपलिमो ने नया वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड सेट किया है हाफ मैराथन का. इन्होंने जो है, जो हाफ मैराथन की जो लेंथ होती है वो होती है 21.0975 किलोमीटर. इसको इन्होंने कंप्लीट किया है 56 मिनट्स एंड 42 सेकेंड्स में. और इन्होंने रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है योमिफ केजेल्शा का. सो रिमेंबर दिस. सो फ्रेंड्स, दैट्स ऑल इन टुडेस वीडियो. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, who has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI? And question number 2 is, where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Global Investor Summit 2025? Share your answer in the comment box. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.